Are you looking to sell your products? Well, you're not alone. Every store owner wants to sell their products, and with 1.8 million online sellers in the USA alone, competition is fierce. With such a saturated market, the question arises, why would a customer choose to buy from you? Simply lowering prices might seem like a solution, but it's not sustainable. New sellers emerge every day, willing to undercut your prices. Instead of relying on price alone, you need effective strategies to attract customers and outsell your competitors. If you can develop and implement better strategies than your rivals, you can gain an edge in the market. If you're unsure how to devise these winning strategies, don't worry. In this video, we'll provide you with comprehensive guidance on selling products to customers. Whether you're a new seller or an experienced one struggling to make sales, this video will equip you with proven tips to boost your sales. Wait. I have placed a bonus for my loyal viewers in between the video. So, watch it full to grab it. So, let's dive right into the first tip without any further delay. Spread the word about your store. If nobody knows about your store, how can you expect to attract customers? Your first step should be to promote your online store to your target audience. There are various effective methods to achieve this. Let's delve into some of them. Optimize your store for search engines. Search engines are a crucial channel for driving organic traffic to your e-commerce store. To make the most of this opportunity, you need to optimize your website for search engines. Here's what you should focus on. Identify relevant keywords for your site. Ensure your e-commerce website has a well-structured architecture. Continuously improve the speed and performance of your e-commerce site. Utilize structured data to enhance the visibility of your listings in search results. Optimize your product pages with on-page SEO techniques. Identify and resolve any technical SEO errors on your store. Concentrate on off-page SEO, such as link building. Watch these two videos on e-commerce SEO that can provide you with further insights on optimizing your online store for search engines. E-commerce SEO, the ultimate guide for startups. 7 proven e-commerce SEO tips to get more traffic. Check them on my channel. Links are provided in the description. Harness the power of content marketing. Content plays a pivotal role in driving traffic to your site. Moreover, it's a cost-effective method for generating organic traffic. By creating high-quality blog posts about your products and publishing them on your website, you can attract visitors. If your blog posts are top-notch and optimized for on-page SEO, search engines like Google may rank them on the first page of search results. This means that when people search for related topics, your content will be displayed, leading potential customers to your store. Collaborate with influencers in your industry. Influencer marketing is a highly effective strategy for reaching your target customers. Partnering with industry influencers can help you expand your reach and generate interest in your products. Let's say you're selling smart gadgets. Identify popular YouTubers, TikTokers, or bloggers who have a substantial following, and collaborate with them to promote your products. Influencer endorsements can have a significant impact on boosting awareness and sales. Utilize various social media channels for promotion. Social media marketing is a powerful tool to connect with potential customers. Given the amount of time people spend on social platforms, it's crucial to establish a strong presence there. Don't limit yourself to just one platform like Facebook. Create accounts on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and leverage these channels to promote your store and products effectively. Additionally, explore forums like Quora, Reddit, and Pinterest, where you can engage with users and share information about your products. Create compelling infographics, images, and statistics related to your products, and share them across your social media handles. Consider producing short videos that highlight your product's features and upload them to your YouTube channel to attract customers. Incorporate paid marketing to reach your target customers. Paid marketing should be a part of your strategy when seeking ways to sell your products to customers. Paid marketing allows you to target potential clients based on their interests, communities, and previous interactions with your brand. While organic marketing is cost-effective, it may not be sufficient for exponential business growth. Google Ads, for example, provides an average ROI of 2:1, meaning you earn $2 for every $1 spent. By closely analyzing customer behavior and optimizing your targeting parameters with relevant keywords, you can increase this return to $8 for every $1 invested. Striving to surpass the average ROI is always a challenge, but it can yield significant rewards. Implement a sign-up coupon program. Offering coupons can be a compelling strategy to entice customers to make a purchase. Consider launching a sign-up coupon program as part of your marketing strategy. When visitors first arrive at your site, use a pop-up that presents them with an enticing offer if they subscribe to your email list. For example, you could provide a 10% discount on their first order or offer free shipping. This not only allows you to capture their email address for future marketing efforts, but also increases the likelihood of them making a purchase with the promotional incentive you provided. Introduce a customer loyalty program. Implementing a loyalty program can be a highly effective tactic for e-commerce website owners. A loyalty program rewards customers for their continued support and encourages them to return to your online store. Design your loyalty program based on specific criteria. For instance, customers can earn loyalty points for every dollar spent, example, $1 equals 1 loyalty point. Once they accumulate a certain number of points, example, 100 points, they become eligible to redeem them for rewards such as free gifts, vouchers, or free shipping. Loyalty programs work well because they provide customers with an incentive to choose your store repeatedly. Whether it's the allure of earning points towards a free gift, enjoying free shipping, or receiving a percentage discount on their purchase, these perks create a sense of loyalty and encourage customers to engage with your brand. Utilize affiliate marketing to expand your sales network. Consider implementing an affiliate marketing program to leverage the networks of other individuals or businesses and increase your product sales. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with third-party publishers, known as affiliates, who promote your products in exchange for a commission on each sale they generate. Launch an affiliate program on your e-commerce site, where anyone can join as an affiliate. You can set a commission rate, such as 20%, that you're willing to pay for each successful transaction referred by an affiliate. You have the flexibility to determine the commission structure based on your company's policies and profitability. Here's how an affiliate program works. Affiliates will promote your products to their own audiences, allowing you to gain increased exposure, enhance brand awareness, and ultimately drive more sales. Create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. It is a psychological phenomenon where individuals experience anxiety or unease when they perceive that they may miss out on something valuable or exciting. This concept is commonly triggered by social media posts, but it can also be utilized during online shopping experiences. Creating a sense of urgency is a powerful technique to generate a feeling of scarcity and leverage FOMO in your marketing efforts. One effective method is to display a countdown clock, indicating that an offer or promotion is available for a limited time. This encourages prospects to take immediate action, realizing that the opportunity will soon expire if they don't act promptly. Additionally, you can showcase the number of people currently purchasing products from your e-commerce site using pop-ups or banners. This form of social proof serves as another example of FOMO marketing. When prospects see that others are actively making purchases on your site, it reinforces the perception that your store is trustworthy and creates a sense of urgency to join in and make their own purchase. Implement upselling and cross-selling strategies. Upselling and cross-selling are effective techniques widely used in the e-commerce business community. If you're unfamiliar with these terms, let's clarify them. Upselling: when a customer selects a product and proceeds to the checkout page, you can suggest a higher-priced or upgraded version of the same product with additional features. For example, if a customer is purchasing a mobile phone, you can offer a better model with similar or slightly higher pricing. This strategy is known as upselling. Cross-selling. Cross-selling involves recommending complementary or related products to customers based on their current selection. For instance, when a customer adds a mobile phone to their cart and proceeds to the checkout page, you can suggest accessories like headphones or earphones that complement the phone. This encourages customers to make additional purchases. Cross-selling is a powerful way to increase the average order value. Use these techniques on your e-commerce website to maximize revenue and enhance the customer experience. Establish a transparent and easy return policy. An essential aspect of selling products to customers is having a clear and hassle-free return policy. Even when competing with other sellers offering the same products at similar prices, a transparent return policy can be a differentiating factor that wins customers' trust and loyalty. Customers may have various reasons for wanting to return a product, such as receiving a damaged item, ordering the wrong size, or it not meeting their expectations. By providing a straightforward return policy, you give customers the confidence to make purchases from your e-commerce website. Consider the following when crafting your return policy. Clearly outline the time frame within which returns are accepted. Specify the conditions for accepting returns, such as product condition, packaging, and proof of purchase. Communicate the process for initiating a return and obtaining a refund or exchange. Make it easy for customers to contact your customer support team for assistance with returns. Learn from established retailers' return policies, such as Walmart's example, to understand industry best practices. By offering a fair and customer-centric return policy, you can build trust with your customers and increase their satisfaction with their shopping experience on your e-commerce website. Here is a bonus for my reviewers who watched the video till here. I will tell you 3 secrets to encourage positive customer reviews. Positive customer reviews play a crucial role in establishing trust and credibility for your e-commerce website. They help potential customers make informed decisions and boost your brand reputation. Here are 3 secrets to encourage positive reviews from your customers. Request reviews upon product delivery. Take the opportunity to ask for reviews as soon as your customers receive their products. At this stage, they have first-hand experience with the product and can provide valuable feedback. You can request reviews through messages or emails. If your website has a messaging feature for registered customers, send them a polite message asking for their thoughts. Alternatively, you can send them an email expressing your gratitude for their purchase and kindly ask for their review. Prompt reviews on the product page. Many buyers are willing to share their experiences, especially with expensive items. Make it easy for customers to leave reviews directly on the product page. This lets them know that their specific product feedback will be published for others to see. This approach is particularly effective for online stores with guest checkout options or where creating an account is not required to leave feedback. By placing a visible review prompt on the product page, you encourage customers to share their thoughts and experiences. Request reviews after customer support interactions. Timing is key when asking for reviews, and one of the best moments is after customers have had a personal interaction with your customer support team. When customers feel satisfied and supported, it's an opportune time to request a review. In a subtle and appreciative manner, ask them to share their experience with your customer support. Happy customers are more likely to write positive reviews, and by targeting this specific moment, you increase the chances of receiving favorable feedback. Remember to express your gratitude for their time and feedback in all review requests. Providing an excellent customer experience and making the process of leaving a review simple and convenient will encourage more customers to share their positive experiences and contribute to building a strong reputation for your e-commerce store.